guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Please excuse the state I look right now. We've only just woken up and today is day 4, I think. 2, 3, yeah, day 4 I think it is. Anyway, it's Monday and it's our boat trip day. As you can see, my tan line is getting there. The top bit on my belly is a bit sore, so I've laid some after sun on. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. We have literally got to get up, get dressed and get out. Are going on our boat trip today. Yeah, I just wanted to come and obviously start my intro off. So yeah, come and go on our boat trip with us. I will show you everything along the way. I'll be filming as much as I can. But yeah, we're going on a boat trip today and I'm so excited. So come along with us. We'll show you what we have for breakfast, but because we've got to get by the bus stop at least by 9:30, because that's when the bus is picking us up. So we literally do not have time to have breakfast, because obviously the breakfast starts at 7:30 and we've got to be at the bus stop before 9:30. So yeah, we've just got to get up, get dressed and get out. So yeah, no breakfast for us, but we get something to eat anyway. So come along with us for our boat trip. Yeah, I'm currently just about to go to our bus stop. See, I'm wearing this t-shirt. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and shorts today because I caught so much sun and I don't want to catch any more. I just want it to nice settle, ready for Sand Park. But we're on our way to the bus stop now. And yeah, I will take you guys along with me. I will show you everything when we're on the boat, what we're seeing, etc. Currently on the boat now, and I thought I'd film a little bit now, and then I'll show you a bit more when we're seeing dolphins and stuff.
It's now here on the other side.
Sweaty mess right now. So as you can see, we've just come back to the hotel, just gonna chill out for a little while. I have literally got some more sunburn on my leg, so I actually purchased some aloe vera gel, so I'm gonna pop that all on. Obviously me and Lisa's gonna go to the toilet, and then we're getting a bit hungry, so we're gonna go to McDonald's afterwards. So yeah, I thought I'd update you guys. For the people that is planning on going to Tenerife, I highly recommend the Freebird boat. If you want any more details, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will send you the details of what boat we went to, this, that and the other. But yeah, it is really highly recommended. We had an amazing time. It was such a beautiful time. You see loads of sceneries. We didn't see much like animal wise. Sorry, I'm just really sweaty at the moment. We only saw a few like night whales, I think they said, but we didn't see much dolphins or anything. But at least we saw something, that's the main thing. But yeah, we highly recommend it, and we had a really lovely time. Come to McDonald's for dinner. So obviously I've got a big large Coke, I've got large fries, a double quarter pounder with cheese and 6 chicken nuggets, and also I've got mayonnaise sachet as well. So we've decided to come out for dinner today, and then afterwards we'll go and look around the shops and get some snacks for later. We've just come back to the room. We've just had McDonald's for dinner. We are going to go down and have a couple of drinks, but I wanted to show you guys of what I got. So we went to our, well, I would say our little supermarket, because it's the one we always go to. So obviously Lisa wanted to get some snacks. She just got some onion rings. She got a few little things for like herself and gifts for other little people. And I bought a vodka. As always, it's become like a little thing now, getting that. Obviously, because we've got Love Island on tonight as well, so I've got that. I got some more Lay's crisps, the cheese and onion ones, because I had them last time and they were actually quite nice. And then I actually bought a few things for myself. I've got one present for someone for Christmas. Luckily enough, she don't watch my YouTube videos, so I got this little bracelet, which is a P on for Poppy for Christmas. So it's a nice little bracelet. And then these bits are for myself. So I've got a nice little key ring to go on my keys. Because I've only got big scrunchies, I've been trying to look for small scrunchies for a while now. So I've got some small headbands, so now I can actually style my hair a little bit different. I can even put my hair in plaits if I wanted to. And I got a new beach bag. It's pink and white, and it's got Tenerife written all over it. And yeah, I thought, do you know what? I would regret it if I got home and I didn't bring that home with me. So I thought, do you know what? I'll bring it home. Even if I can't fit it into my suitcase, I will put it in Lisa's, and she would just give it to me when she next sees me. But yeah, I would regret it if I didn't get it. So I thought, you know what, I will get it. Even if, like I said, even if I can't put it in my suitcase, it will definitely fit in Lisa's. So what I'm going to do is obviously pop these away, put my snacks up on the table ready for later, and then just give it a bit tidy, obviously text Nathan and everything, and head down to the bar and get a couple of drinks. So as you can see, we're at the bar, got a couple of drinks. As always, Lisa's just got a Coke, and I've got a cocktail, Sex on the Beach. I was going to have a different one, but I can't remember what ones they have now. I know they have pina colada. I think there's a San Francisco, I think, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we've come back to the room. We've had a couple of drinks downstairs, come back to the room, and now we are just going to chill out for Love Island. We've got our crisps to eat. I need to put some cold water on my knees, they are so red. and then I need to pop some cold aloe vera gel. I've actually put the gel in the fridge so it's nice and cold, so hopefully my knees settle. So tomorrow we are going to go down by the pool. So we're going to have a pool day tomorrow, and obviously we've got Sand Park Wednesday, then it'll be pool day Thursday, and then home day Friday. So yeah, not that many days to go now, and then we come home. It's getting closer and closer and closer to home time. I'm missing Nathan more and more. I'm missing my bed. You know, when you go on holiday, it's nice, you're just getting away, but you do miss your home comforts. So yeah, so that is what we're going to do. I'm going to end today's video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed. It's been a bit of an eventful day being on the boat trip, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, as always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.